When you have a gas, you don't get the advantage of the flavors that you get out of several types of hardwoods: hickory, oak, pecan, depending on what type of flavor you're trying to get in your meat. This is a much larger grill that we use in competition cooking, but you can get the same effect on that at home with a much smaller grill through the use of various hardwood charcoal. The hardwood charcoal is real hardwood that has been charred. It will get hotter quicker and retain its heat longer. Well, the flavor of the food when you're on with the charcoal is going to be affected by the type of wood that you're using. That's something else you miss with gas.
Neil also recommends using starter sticks to light the lump charcoal instead of lighter fluid, which can leave food smelling and tasting like petroleum byproducts. To get the most out of cooking with charcoal, a ceramic cooker, like the one popularized by the Big Green Egg, is the way to go. Because these appliances use charcoal in a grate, they can be used as an ordinary grill, but the insulating properties of ceramic and its ability to maintain a constant temperature make them much more versatile. It's kind of like having an extra oven on the patio.